In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Lumin PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your PDF, and then from here, you want to go to Edit PDF on the left, and this is where you can then edit your text. So, for example, if I select some text over here, let's say this box, I can just click on this text box, and then from here on the far right, I can see a bunch of editing options. So I can go and change its font. For example, if I go to Laura over here, it's going to change the font, as you can see. Then you can change the size as well. So if I want to go like a bit smaller, for example 15, it's going to change the size as well over here. Okay, and then of course you could also go ahead and make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underlined, you can do whatever you want. Of course, for this you'll have to have your text selected to be able to achieve this. Okay, now of course you could also change colors. So when you click on your text, you'll be able to basically get it selected and change the color of your text to whatever color you want it to be, just like that. Those are kind of the basics of editing, but of course you can also change your text. So for example, if I go and click anywhere inside here, I can see this, it's going to start blinking like that, and I can go ahead and delete some text. I could go ahead and type something in there. I could go and like edit it however I want. Okay, so yeah, that's essentially it. It's going to basically give you an editor, which is just like Word. You can go and type in whatever you want, and yeah, it's going to work just like this. Okay, now that's essentially how to edit your text. If you have it inside your PDF, then you can save it by clicking done, top right, and you are good to go. But if you have some text in here you've put in yourself, so for example, if I type in hello there, you can change that and edit this as well. So I'm gonna go and click on it, and then this one can be edited by using these tools up here in the top left. Okay, so we have like the change of font, size, you can make it bold, italic, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.